Hello and welcome. My name is Charles Dekasasi and this is the number plate recognition system. It's authored by me and presented by me. So the contents of this presentation, we're going to talk about agents and environments in artificial intelligence. We shall talk about the data set and then the difference between the informed and uninformed search and how these two would be used in my project. Then AI accountability. So from the previous week, we have seen the drastic increase in vehicles and how it has stimulated the huge demand in technology for traffic monitoring and management systems. And we know that an automatic number plate recognition system would play an inevitable role in different systems. For example, the parking management system, then the toll payment processing systems. So an environment in artificial intelligence is the surrounding of the agent. So the agent perceives or takes input from the environment through sensors and then delivers the output to the environment still through the actuators. So the environment in my project, an example would be the road. So the road would act as a multi-agent environment. That's because it can have more than one car at a go, or it can act on more than two agents at the same time. An agent's anything that is viewed to perceive its environment through sensors and act upon that environment through actuators. So in an example of the agents in the system, we have humans who are also considered as the intelligent agents. Then we also have the software that will be using, let me say, the camera would be taking feed from the camera, which gets the information or perceives its environment, and then outputting it maybe through a display screen to show the detected number plate. Then the dataset description, we know that data is an essential component of any AI model and basically the sole reason for the peak in machine learning. My dataset contains over 453 images in JPEG format with a bounding box annotation for the Callisis number plate within the image. Annotations are provided in the Pascal VOC format. The dataset is then split into two. I have the training data, which comprises of images, and then the test data, which has images both in JPEG and PNG, and then video in MP4. So I also have left a link to the dataset down there. And about searching algorithms in artificial intelligence. So they are divided into two. We have the informed search and the uninformed search. And informed search algorithms have information on the goal state, which helps in more efficient searching. This is a search using domain specific knowledge. So with searching algorithms, there are some common terms that we have. We have the start state and then the goal state. We are looking forward to achieve the goal state. And an algorithm is measured according to its optimality or how optimal it is, and then its completeness. Is the search complete? Whether when there is a solution, will the search be complete? Then also the time of the big O of n, that's the space and time complexity. So we are looking at an algorithm which is more optimal, which is always complete, and then which is has less time and takes less space. So informed search have information on the goal state which helps in more efficient searching. They are also defined as the heuristic search. So examples of informed search, we have the grid-based search and the A-star search. And an example is maybe in a vacuum cleaner, it may move from cells towards the dirtiest adjustment cell. Then also for car movement, the algorithm may move to a state, giving it a strategic advantage for the number plate to be read. Then the other, we have the uninformed search, which have no additional information on the goal node other than the one that is provided in the problem definition. So uninformed search are also termed as the blind search. And example of uninformed search, we have the depth first search and the breadth first search, which are very common. Then we have the others which are not so common, maybe the uniform cost search, and yes, that's it for the search. And AI accountability. So AI accountability or accountability in artificial intelligence is who is held accountable in case the system is misbehaved. So in this project right here, everyone is held accountable. That's from me and my team as the designers and the developers of the system, and then the company that's using this system. So more on that later. So the number plate system is not as critical or as critical as a system in the medical sciences, but we have to make sure that it is accurate and then precise. And yeah, that's it. So for the references, I still used the same references as before. That's the TP technologies, and then I got my dataset from Cargo. And that's it. Thank you.